Hello students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video, I will cover the rest of the question of exercise 3.3. So here it is the question number 3. You can see you have to test the divisibility of the following numbers given for the divisible by 6 or not. Okay, so for divisibility by 6, we know that we have to find out the number is divisible by 2 or divisible by 3. So if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, so it is divisible by 6. If either of the number it is not divisible by 2 or 3, so it is not divisible by 6. So let's see here. So this is the 4, last digit is 4, it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Now you have to sum these digits. This is 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 9 18, 18 19 20, 20 plus 7 is 27. So 27 is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is divisible by 6. Both 2 and 3 I am writing here. Divisible by. Okay. So here come to the B part. Last digit is 8. So divisible by 2. For 3, we will check by summing the digits. 2 plus 1 is 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, not divisible by 3. So, divisible by 2 but not 3, therefore not divisible by 6. Okay. Here you can check that it is 5. So not divisible by 2. So if one of them is not divisible, so directly you can see that not divisible by 6. Okay. You don't want to check means for 3 because 2 is not divisible. This number is not divisible by 2. Okay. So here also not divisible by 6 because last digit is odd number. Not divisible by 6. Okay, here it is coming divisible by 2. For 3 we have to check. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, not divisible by 3. So not divisible by 6 because it is not divisible by 3 but divisible by 2. Here divisible by 2 because last number is 0. For 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 5 is 19. Okay, 19 plus 8 is 27. So it is divisible by both 2 and 3, both 2 and 3. Therefore divisible by 6. Right. Here you can see G part, last digit is 4, that is even number, which is divisible by 2. For 3 we have to sum the digits same. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 9 plus 1 is 10, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 10 is 26, 26 plus 4 is 30. Okay. So it is divisible by 6 because both 2 and 3 is divisible. Divisible by 6. Here simply we can say that not divisible because last digit is odd number. Not divisible by 6. Here you can see it is divisible by 2. So we will check for 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 9 is 21. So I am getting 21 which is divisible by 3. So both 2 and 3 is divisible. So here divisible by 6. Okay. Here you can see 17852, 2 is the last digit, that is the even number. So I am getting here what I am getting, divisible by 2. So we will check for 3 also. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 is the prime number. Okay, so it is not divisible by 6. So like this you have to check for 6. Okay students, next question. Let's come to the next question, that is question number 4. You have to check for the following numbers divisible by 11 or not. So for divisibility by 11, what is the rule? You have to sum the odd places number minus sum of the even numbers. Let's see what I am doing. Here this is the first place, second, third, fourth. Okay, so odd places is first and third, so I will sum this. Odd places is equal to 5 plus 4, even places sum of even number equal to, this is the even number 4 and 5, that is places second place and fourth place. Okay, so 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, so I will difference it. Difference equal to 9 minus 9 equal to 0, that is divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. As the result is divisible by 11, so the number will be divisible by 11. You don't want to this is the short method for divisibility by 11. You don't need to take the long division method. Okay, here 1 2 3. Okay, 1 plus 8 plus 4 minus 2 0 plus 2. Okay, so 8 plus 1 is 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13 minus 2, so I am getting here 11, that is divisible by 11. Yes, 11 is coming in the table of 11, so this is divisible by 11. Come to the third part. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 7 plus 3, this are the odd places, you have to sum it. Okay, minus the even places, that is 1 plus 8 plus 6. So here what I am getting, 5 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 9 24 minus 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am getting 9. So, not divisible by 11 because it is coming 9. Okay, let's do the D part. 7, 1, 9, 0. 7 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0 minus 0 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, so I am getting here 17. 17 minus 9. So I will get here 6. That is not divisible by 11. Okay, here you can see all are 0 0, so I can write 1 minus 1. Okay, that is 0, means divisible by 11. This is divisible by 11. Last but not the least, this is F part. Nine plus 1 plus 5, these are the odd places, minus even places, 0 plus 1 plus 3. So 10 plus 5 is 15, minus 3 plus 1 is 4. So I am getting 11, means divisible by 11. So these are the question number 4 solution. Okay students, come to the question number 5. So here you have to fill this blanks. Okay, so you have to write the smallest and the greatest digit for the blank space. The number formed is divisible by 3. So this number should be divisible by 3. So we know the divisibility by 3. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to first sum of the digits. Okay, sum of the digits. 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. So it is coming 19. Okay, so for the divisibility by 3, if I add plus 2, so I will get 21. Okay, that is divisible by 3. Okay, so here the smallest digit is 2. We have to find two numbers, one is smallest and second is greatest. So the smallest digit filled by the blank is equal to 2. Okay, so now for the largest greatest digit, 2 plus 3, that is 5. 2 plus 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. So 19 plus 8 is 19 plus 5 is, I am getting here 19 plus 5 is 24. Here if I add one more 3 to this, because we have to check for the divisibility by 3, so I am adding 3, that is divisible by 3, right? So I am getting here 11. So 2-digit number will not come here. So the greatest digit is 8. That is the 8 is the greatest digit. Like way you have to sum this digit also. Okay, sum is equal to 5 plus 2 is 7, 7, 7, 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 6, 9, 10, 24. Sum is, I am getting 24 here. Okay, so 24 is divisible by 3. So what will be the smallest digit? Smallest digit is 0. We don't need to add anything because it is divisible by 3. Now for the greatest digit, if I add 0 plus 3, I am getting 3. 0 plus 3 plus 3, that is I am getting 6. 0 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. 0 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, I am getting 12. That is the 2-digit number. I can't fill 2-digit number here. We have to fill only 1-digit number. So here the largest digit, okay, is 9. So that is the greatest digit. Like this you have to solve this blank space. Okay students, this is the last question for the exercise 3.3. Here number A part. What is the question? You have to fill this blank space which is formed is divisible by 11. So this number should be divisible by 11. Okay, so for 11 we know that the odd places, let take A as A8. So here 9 plus A plus 8 minus 2 plus 3 plus 9. Okay, what I am getting here? 17 plus A minus 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So 17 plus A minus 14. So here A minus a plus 3. So I am getting a plus 3. So I will equate with 0. So I am getting a equal to minus 3. That is not possible. That will not fill this. So what I will do, a plus 3 equal to 11. So a equal to 11 minus 3. So I am getting here a equal to 8. So that is your answer. Okay students, come to the next B part. Here also I am taking a as the unknown number. This is odd places, 8, 9, 8. So 8 plus 9 plus 8 minus a plus 4 plus 4. What I will get here? 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 9, 26. Minus a plus 8. So 26 minus 8. So I am getting here 18 minus a equal to 0. Okay. So equal to 0 I will equate with equal to 0. So 18 is equal to a. A equal to 18. So 2-digit number I can't fill it. So here what I will do? I will equate with 11 for divisibility by 11. So here 18, that is not possible because it is 2-digit number. I have to fill for the 1-digit number. So here 18 minus a equal to 11. 18 minus 11 equal to a. So I am getting a equal to 7. So 7 is the right answer for this blank space. One mistake I had done. This is the question number 6. Sorry for that. This is 25. 25. So I will get here 25 minus 8, 17. 17 minus 11 is 6. So I am getting a equal to 6 here. So I hope I hope you understood up till here. In the next video I will cover exercise 3.4. So till then, please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.